Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by verifying essentials. Make sure Face ID is already enrolled and your iPhone is updated, because apps rely on system-level authentication. Once done, go to Settings, tap Face ID and Passcode, and authenticate with your passcode. Now scroll down to Other apps. This lists apps that can use Face ID. Grant permission here for any app already listed. If it's not listed yet, install and open the app next so it can request access. Next, install or update the target app and open it so it can ask for Face ID access. When prompted, choose Allow. If the app doesn't prompt, exit to Settings, find the app in the list, and enable its Face ID or use Face ID toggle. Inside the app's account or security settings, you may also find a specific biometric sign-in option. Turn that on. Make sure you complete any additional verification steps the app requests so Face ID becomes the default login method. Finally, verify the setup by signing out of the app and signing back and using Face ID. This confirms the flow end-to-end. If it doesn't work, make sure attention-aware features are enabled and the true depth camera is unobstructed. Then re-register your face in Settings, Face ID, and Passcode. If problems persist, restart the phone and confirm iOS and the app are updated. One key troubleshooting tip: re-enrolling Face ID often resolves permission or recognition issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.